Yo guys, Job hier, nee. Yo guys, it's me. I'm back with a brand new video. Let's jump right into the sauce. Okay, so, I went to do this school excursion. We're going to a part of our classes and stuff to some place in France and some place in Belgium where I live. And it was pretty fun, but I learned a lot about myself, about my weaknesses. Right? If you know more about your weaknesses, you actually become a wiser person, a wiser man in my case. Depends on your sex, but that's why it's so important to put yourself in uncomfortable situations and experiment with different things so you can test yourself. This should be your own journey of testing yourself. Let's just sidetrack a little bit from the topic of this video. The topic of this video is about how to get moving, how to get these punches, right? Like Mike Tyson, or like my box trainer that I didn't see for a month because of Ramadan and all this stuff. The thing is, it's kind of like self-improvement, I don't really like to call it like self-improvement because when I tell people, yeah, I'm on self-improvement, they think of all those cringe people. I'll just call myself like a guy who just the philosopher of the better individual. Because to me, this journey is for everybody. So if I call it self-improvement, I kind of put it in a cage, like this, like no, it's here. But the thing is, in self-improvement, let's say, how did it start for the most guys out there? It starts by a kind of traumatic event, not really traumatic, but a point where you're really, really, really at your lowest, and then you really do not want to stay where you are. You just have this sudden motivation to go forward and destroy your enemies and be like Sonic the Hedgehog and Does this make sense, man? My bad. Okay, so basically what happens when you're self-improvement, you started with self-improvement, you have this kind of hate for yourself. You start hating yourself, you start hating your life because you're so low to the spectrum of your life, because life has been so much better to you, or life has been shitty so long, and now you realize that your life is so fucking shitty. But if you're at the bottom at the spectrum of your life, at the ladder, you can only go up. And that's the beautiful thing. You have to realize you're shitty. You're a bitch boy. That you're the equivalent of doo-doo water. My bad, bro. I'm not here to bring you the bad news, but I'm bringing you the bad news anyway. You have to realize you're not that amazing, right? And just, best, fucking, how do you say it? Most optimistic situation. Won't call it optimistic, but if you get yourself to a fucking traumatic event like I did, like really traumatic, just like an event that puts you on your lowest point and makes you realize your shit, you're gonna start hating yourself. And that's the moment you're gonna get this sudden motivation. But, you have to hate your life. You kind of have to be uncomfortable with yourself and who you are in order to excel. Because if you're completely comfortable with everything you're having with your life, what's the fucking reason to improve? Those guys at high school, at your school, whatever, I don't know, you're great, in university, you get all the bitches and are so happy and they get laid every single night, but yeah, those guys, they are a danger. Why? Because most of us are not like that. So when we see these people, we're like, fuck man, I hate my life. These guys are so amazing. They get laid, they get bitches. I want to also get bitches, so you go to the gym. You learn about pickup game. You improve, and because why? Because you what the fuck, man? I can't even speak right. Because you improve and get those gains. Those gains get addicting, bro. I really gotta get these speaking glasses up. But these gains get addicting. Because you constantly want more of it, so you're gonna start working more and more and more. So don't look at these guys who are comfortable right now, because they'll regret it down the line. You know, because just everything is temporarily. Toute chose est éphémère. I don't know how to say it in English. Really, my vocabulary is shit. But conclusion of this video, you kinda have to resent yourself in some way in order to excel. You can fight it within yourself. You can sit down and be like, you know, my life is really shitty. I really gotta do something about it because it's my life, just like I talked. So like I said in my previous video, take responsibility of it. Like, fuck it. I'm gonna go forward and destroy my enemies across the sea. Aaron Yeager, my man. End of the video. Tata guy, man.